You're going to do an assembly, a 2D drawing for this axis assembly. So we go to design, go to drawing, from design, choose automatic because I want the drawing to be made. Then we choose full assembly. Now put all levels, and then external components as well. So you can see everything has been selected. So there will be 7 sheets. So if I click OK, up there it says that it is generating the drawing. So we need to wait until the drawings are generated. This will take a bit of time and will require some patience. So after it has generated, it will generate for us the parts list, the full drawings. Okay, it says axle assembly drawing is ready. So if I open, now we'll have the drawing. So this is the parts drawing. I haven't put any input for myself. This is one view. This is one of the drawings, the axle stand assembly. We can change the way how it is dimensioned by editing from here. So you can see dimensioning can change. This is symmetric dimension, and this is the dimension with the baseline. So maybe let's leave it there. Then we'll go to the next one. I'll not change anything. Maybe I just bring this one down inside. Was a bit outside the drawing. Then another drawing here, which is the pin, and then another drawing there, and another one there. So I will not do much change to these ones right now because just for demonstration. Then we'll go into another exercise where we can add more drawings or even edit the ones we have so far. So let's see it in another video. Thank you.